fly. I repeat, my GK question.
Good morning to one and all. Yes, beta. We are doing chapter number 6, Animals, Habitat and Adaptations. Write in the chat box, what do you mean by habitat? Yes, be quick. Write down in the chat box. What do you mean by the term habitat? Habitat means, very good, surrounding in which an animal lives. Okay, we can say a living place. A living place where animal lives, surrounding. Okay, habitat is the part of the surrounding, and we fulfill all our needs from our surrounding, from the habitat. Okay, air, water, food, everything we get from the habitat. And what do you mean by adaptations? Yes, very good. Many students are writing, but still many more are there which are not active. Okay, participate, Janvi. Yes, living places, habitat. What do you mean by the term adaptations? Very good. Adaptations means tendency to survive. Okay, special features which help us to survive. Okay, someone is. Yes, write down. What do you mean by the term adaptations? Who is doing this scribbling? Yes, beta. There are some special features in all the organisms. They develop some special features. They may change. There may be the change in the different organs and the features in their behavior, which help to adjust to the surroundings. जो हमें surrounding में adjust करने में help करती है. Okay, so next topic, we are doing adaptations. Next topic is movement in animals. How do they move? Why do they move? Okay. First of all, you will tell me why do the animals move from one place to another? Animals को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने की जरूरत क्यों होती है? वो क्यों जाते हैं इधर उधर? Animals move in order to protect themselves, in order to build their resting places, their breeding places, in order to get the food and water. Why do the animals move? For their protection. Okay, they want to be protected against the enemies. कोई उनको kill ना कर दे, कोई उनको harm ना करे, and to build their resting places. Rest करते हो ना, हम अपना घर बनाते हैं. Animals, some of the animals they live on trees, some of the animals they live under the trees. Okay, and some of the animals they make the nest. Nest is the resting and breeding place. रेस्ट करते हैं वहां पे, ब्रीडिंग होती है. ब्रीडिंग मीन्स दे गिव बर्थ टू द यंग वंस. वो अपने जैसे और जीव पैदा करते हैं. फॉर दैट, in order to protect themselves from harsh weather conditions also. तो वहां पे जाके रहना पसंद करते हैं where conditions are suitable. Is it clear? Okay, movements का आपको clear हो गया. Why do they move? They move in order to protect themselves, in order to build the resting place, in order to build the breeding place, in order to get food, water. Okay, so you can see, name the animal you are looking on the screen. आपको screen में कौन सा animal दिख रहा है? Very good. Yes, penguins. Okay, so they also move. And now we are going to do which organs they use in order to move. Different animals, they use different organs in order to move. सबसे पहले अगर हम पेंगुइन्स की बात करें तो आप देख रहे हो कि इन वाटर दे यूज देयर फोर लिम्स. आगे वाले जो उनके विंग्स होते हैं वी कॉल देम फ्लिपर्स. फ्लिपर्स के हेल्प से वो पानी में स्विम करती हैं एंड ऑन लैंड दे यूज देयर फीट टू वॉक. जो उनकी हाइंड लेग्स होती हैं, okay, with the help of these they move from one place to another on the land. पानी में वो उनकी wings जैसे structures होती हैं, we call them flippers. Very good, Anhad, Argun. Yes, okay, good students, those who are participating through the chat box. Now if we talk about the organs of movement in case of a fish, write down what is used in case of aquatic, most of the aquatic animals, or we can say fish. Very good, fins are used. Clear? Fish में क्या use होता है? Fins. आप ध्यान से देखो तो उसके ऐसे fins को वो move करती रहती है in order to balance in the body, in order to swim in the water. Okay, fins. Fish have fins which are used to move forward. फिन से वो पानी को पीछे को धकेलती हैं, पानी उनको आगे पुश करता है, पुश इट फॉरवर्ड. ओके, सो द टेल एंड द फिन्स दे हेल्प टू चेंज डायरेक्शन आल्सो. लाइक देखो आप कैसे वो डायरेक्शन चेंज करती है. अगर उन्होंने राइट साइड जाना है तो वो टेल को लेफ्ट साइड कर लेंगी, लेफ्ट साइड जाना है तो राइट साइड. दिस वे, ओके, zigzag वे में वो मूव करती हैं. They move their tail to opposite side in which they want to go. Gills are there for breathing purposes. ये आप always confuse हो जाती हो, you don't understand कि what is asked. जब आपको पूछा जाता है name the respiratory organ, तो आप fins लिख देती हो. जब आपको पूछते हैं कि movement, तो आप gills लिख देती हो. Gills are used for breathing purposes. Fins are used for movements. You have to read the question carefully, understand it, then do the answer. Okay. So, tail and fins have to change direction. Fins have to move forward. Clear? So, what is there in fish? Fins. Clear? Fins are there. Some students are still writing gills. Gills beta movement के लिए नहीं होते. Gills are used for breathing purposes. Fins are there. Okay? Fins मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Fish. These are the fins. These fins, they continuously move like this and they help to move in water. And next, how does a frog move? Frog कैसे move करती है? Yes, what is used in frogs? Frogs use their webbed feet in water, and on land it uses its legs. इसकी legs होती हैं, जो hind legs होती हैं, they are very strong and long. Look at the image. तो इसकी जो hind limbs होती हैं hopping के लिए यूज करते हैं, jumping के लिए यूज करती हैं. इसके webbed feet होते हैं. web देखा आपने spider का? ऐसे इनके जो होते हैं फीट, उनमें ऐसे वेब बना होता है, पतली सी मस्कुलर एक वेब बना होता है which help to push the water back side when they move in water, when they swim in water. Hind limbs are used on land and webbed feet are used in water to swim. पानी में तैरने के लिए वो क्या यूज करते हैं? webbed feet. Like स्पाइडर का वेब होता है, दिस वे इनके जो वेब्ड फीट होते हैं, They help to push the water backside, and water pushes the frog forward when they push the water backwards. So webbed feet in water and hind limbs to jump on the land. So these two are used. Hind limbs to jump on land, webbed feet to swim in water. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. So next is penguins. अभी हमने penguins की बात की. How do they swim? And how do they move? Look at the screen. जो उनके आपको wings जैसे structures दिख रही हैं penguins में, they are the flippers. Okay, and they have strong muscular legs, feet, which help them to move on land. Clear? Hind limbs to move on land, feet to move on land, and they use their flippers to swim in water. Flippers के साथ flippers help to push the water backward like boating करते हैं, so they move forward. Clear बेटा? इनके जो flippers हैं, they are their forelimbs. जो आगे वाले बाजू होते हैं ना हमारे, इनके जो आगे वाले forelimbs हैं, they are modified, वो specially adapt होते हैं in the form of flippers, which help them to swim in water. Why do they swim in water? Why do they go in water? In order to catch the fish. Special feature हो गया ना, उनकी forelimbs जो है वो specially adapted है. Frog में क्या special adaptation है? Their feet are, their legs are, feet are webbed shaped. Legs are strong to jump on land, और webbed feet होते हैं उनके, ये उनकी adaptation है. Fish की adaptation क्या है? They have fins. So different organs are used for different movements. It depends on the habitat कि हमारी surrounding कैसी है, किस type का food available है. This all varies from animal to animal. If you are talking about the turtles की बात करें तो you can look at the picture 63 page. Gurpreet, show me your book 63 page. Gurpreet, yes, very good. Try to show on the screen turtles. Good. Very good. Okay, Jasmine is also showing. Turtles में क्या होता है? Paddle like limbs होती. Very good. Paddle like limbs होती हैं. Turtle की जो limbs हैं, उसकी जो legs होती हैं वो paddle like होती हैं, which help to push the water backwards. वो पानी को backwards push करने में help करती हैं. So what is there in the turtle? Write it in the chat box. Turtle में क्या होता है बेटा? Turtle most of the time it lives in water. Water में रहते हैं तो water में रहते हैं तो they need to swim. For swimming, what is there? Which organ is modified? Paddle-like limbs. Limbs means legs. Very good, Simran, Jashan, yes, Hargun, Jasmine, good. Okay, Gurpreet. In water, they use their paddle-like limbs. When you write them, you don't forget. Okay, try to write in the chat box when I ask. So next is penguins का आपको पता चल गया flippers, clear? Now next is yes, if we are talking about the insects, तो insects में क्या होता है? 6 legs are there. 6 legs means 3 pairs of legs. Can you write the name of a few insects? One is in front of you, grasshopper. Write down the name of other insects. Yes, butterflies, very good. Ants, yes. Bugs, termites, flies, spider, good. Cockroach, very good. These are the insects. Okay, they are also adapted to move. वो भी adapted होते हैं in order to move. Mosquitoes, some of them have 6 legs. कुछ की तो 100 legs होती हैं, 50 legs होती हैं. Like millipedes, okay, centipedes. बहुत सारी legs होती है ना. Many pairs of legs. Segmented body होती है insects की. Segments में divided होती है. तो कुछ में क्या होता है कि उनके विंग्स भी होते हैं. 1 or 2 pair of wings are also there which help them to fly from one place to another. उनको फ्लाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं. और कुछ की लेग्स भी नहीं होती, ना कुछ की लेग्स होती हैं छोटी छोटी, वो क्रॉलिंग करते हैं. Grasshopper, it jumps with the help of hind limbs. इसकी जो हाइंड लेग्स होती हैं थोड़ी बड़ी होती हैं, स्ट्रांग होती हैं ग्रासहॉपर की. इट जंप, ओके, जंप करता है. ये भी एक इंसेक्ट होता है. एंड कुछ में 2 पेयर्स होते हैं विंग्स के, कुछ में 1 पेयर ऑफ विंग्स होता है. राइट द नेम ऑफ द इंसेक्ट्स व्हिच फ्लाई, व्हिच हैव विंग्स. इनके विंग्स होते हैं. यस, ड्रैगन फ्लाई, वेरी गुड. ड्रैगन फ्लाई के विंग्स होते हैं तो ये फ्लाई कर सकती है. इसकी लेग्स भी होती हैं. यस, और some of the insects which cannot fly, कुछ की legs नहीं होती, they cannot fly. Write the name. Yes, cockroach can run also, can fly also. इसके भी wings होते हैं. But termites के, bugs के, lice के wings नहीं होती. जुएं पड़ती है ना सिर में कभी कि नहीं? देखिए कभी? देखिए. तो इनके क्या होते हैं? Wings नहीं होते. They crawl with the help of short legs. Yes, caterpillar. Good. Okay, now if we're talking about the reptiles. Before the reptiles, look in your book. That is birds. How do the birds move? Birds कैसे move करते हैं? They are 4 limbs are modified in the form of wings. Birds के जो 4 arms हैं, they are modified in the form of wings. There are 4 limbs. They are modified. Speciality होती है, they are adapted, okay, in the form of wings, and wings help them to fly. Wings are attached to their breast muscles. Strong, very strong breast muscles के साथ wings attach होते हैं. और for hours, for continuously they can flap their wings tirelessly. बिना थके वो muscles उनकी strong होती हैं. They can fly. Like Arctic tern. Arctic tern can fly from one place to another, and it can fly for months even. Tirelessly. So their 4 limbs are in the form of wings, and their bones are very light. And their tail is there to change the direction in the air. Tail उनको डायरेक्शन चेंज करने में हेल्प करती है. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वो टेल मूव करती है तो उनकी डायरेक्शन अदर साइड को वो मूव कर पाती है. Okay, but a few birds are there which cannot fly. वो fly नहीं कर सकते. Write down the names. Yes, very good. Emu, ostrich, kiwi. Okay, they are heavy. उनका भार ज़्यादा होता है. Although they are having wings, but they cannot fly because their bones are not hollow and light. Their weight is more. Ostrich 50 kg से above हो जाता है इसका weight. It's difficult to fly, so it has strong legs to move. तो उनकी modification क्या होगी? उनकी hind limbs are very strong. So all these adaptations, they help us to survive in the surrounding. वो हमें surrounding में survive करने में help करते हैं. These are some special features. And next, if you're talking about the reptiles, Reptiles means animals which have scales on the body. लेकिन आपको मैंने स्नेक के स्केल्स दिखाए थे. So you can see this is a lizard. Lizard भी एक तरह का reptile होता है और इसकी भी बॉडी पे स्केल्स होती है. राइट, another name? Yes, ये देखो इसकी बॉडी पे स्केल्स हैं. And for the movement it uses its short legs. इसकी छोटी छोटी legs होती हैं which help it to move on land. Clear? तो ये lizards और crocodiles, they are the reptiles. They move with the help of short legs and they have scales on the body which also help them to move. But if we are talking about the snake, snake has no legs. इसकी legs नहीं होती. It uses its scales or plates. इसकी body पे scales होती हैं. Plates we can see उसकी underside पे plates होती हैं which help to push the ground backward and ground pushes it forward. Okay? ये ऐसे loop बनाता है snake और इसकी body पे क्या होते हैं? Scales or plates. So write down the name of the organ which help the snake to move on land. These are scales or plates. Okay, scales or plates. जो snail आप बना रहे हो, snail में क्या होता है movement के लिए? False foot or muscular foot we can say. That is the organ which help it to move. Next, if you are talking about the mammals, mammals means animals which give birth to the babies. Here also mammals, dog, cat, lion, tiger, all they give birth to the babies. They are mammals. They use their all the four limbs as well as hind limbs to move. Cow also. Only हमें human beings जो हमारी जो है hind limbs पे हम चलते हैं, उसको चलने के लिए यूज करते हैं, वॉकिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं, रनिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं. But we use our four hands, four limbs to grasp the things, to hold the things, to write. Okay, so these are adaptations. Animals ने तो कुछ write नहीं करना, क्योंकि we live in the houses. We need to collect the things, to hold the things, to grasp the things. So our forelimbs are modified in other ways. But जब man जंगलों में रहता था, तब वो भी four limbs ही use करता था, जो हमारे जिसको हम कह देते हैं हमारे ancestors species हैं, monkeys, okay, chimpanzees. वो भी four limbs ही use करते हैं. उन्हीं से जो further adaptations हो करके we are there. Okay, हमें कुछ अलग से adaptations हैं which are not present in our ancestral species. So mammals use all the four limbs for running and walking. Now next topic is migration. Migration means mass movement of animals from one place to another. Mass movement means only one animal does not move, they move in large groups. Okay, from one place to another, and this happens every year in a particular period of time. Which particular period of time may this happens? And this is the mass movement, means collective movement of animals. Groups में, thousands के groups में they move from one place to another. And why do they move? They move in search of food to avoid harsh weather conditions. Like Siberia में, Siberian crane, you can see page 70 पे, Siberia में बहुत ठंड होती है, तो अक्टूबर में they come to India every year. Okay, सर्दियाँ वो यहाँ पे रहती है, तब वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल होती है, फूड नहीं होता, तो they come here. But when Summers start March, April में. Okay, they again go to their native place. Again in October they come back to India. This is migration. यहाँ पे उनको फूड भी अवेलेबल होता है और वेदर कंडीशंस भी नॉर्मल होती हैं. And they breed also. They produce their young ones also. Because everything is present, food is there, weather conditions are favorable, उनके according होती हैं. There are some animals which migrate every year, like locust. These are the locust. Clear? ये ग्रास हॉपर की फैमिली के ही होती हैं. ग्रास हॉपर जैसे ही इंसेक्ट्स होती हैं, थाउजेंड्स के ग्रुप में ये मूव करती हैं. दे ईट द क्रॉप्स, अदरवाइज दे लिव इन फॉरेस्ट. वहाँ पे रहते हैं, बट जब कभी वहाँ पे फूड कम हो जाता है, दे मूव टूवर्ड्स द farmers crops. They eat the crops and again they go back. Clear? And monarch butterflies. Okay, monarch butterflies, you can see they move. Look at the image, 71 page also. They migrate from Canada and North America to Mexico. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है तो they move to Mexico. They come back to their native place again. Clear? And one fish is also there, salmon fish. It spends most of the time in sea, but it reaches the nearby rivers in order to breed. अंडे देने के लिए वो nearby rivers में जाती है. वहाँ पे जब अंडे हैच हो जाती हैं, ओके, अपने छोटे बच्चों के साथ again it comes to the sea. This is also migration. And name the animal which makes the longest migration. Which animal? It flies to long distances every year. That is, very good, it is Arctic tern. It is Arctic tern. Okay, it moves from Arctic circle to Antarctic circle and then come back to Arctic circle. पूरी बर्ड का एक चक्कर लगा लेता है. ओके, एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक पहुंच जाता है. It makes the longest. So that's all about today. Now you can unmute yourself if you have any problem in this topic. Now this chapter is finished.